Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to share someone's Instagram story without being tagged in it using your Android phone. So keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Instagram app, then click a story you want to share. For example, this one. Now click the airplane icon. Then as you can see here, there is no option to share it to your story. So go back, go to your browser, then type instadp.com. Then on the search bar, type the account's username, then click search. Then open the profile, scroll down, then click stories. Then find the story you want to repost. For example, this one. Then click download. So the video now is downloaded. Go back to your Instagram. Then click the camera icon above. Click this gallery. Then click the photo or video you saved. Now click the send button. Then you can share it now to your story or to your friends. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!